Hey guys, and today, poopies. Today, if you don't know, it's me, Sophia. Today we are going to show you how to draw Chuck. Last video, we did Redbird. Last video, if you're watching this now and you haven't done Redbird yet, then, we cut it off when we were on the peach part, but the rest is red, okay? Just remember that. The rest is red. And, let's get started. So, wait, I gotta get my pencil. Okay, I got my pencil. What do you want to do first? What?
Don't open the popcorn.
Okay, so what you want to do first?
Sophia, at the end, open the popcorn, okay?
Okay.
At the end.
Okay. So what you want to?
When we're done making chocolate.
Okay. What you want to do first is a little triangle. Well, a big triangle. You want to do a big one? Lost control.
Hey, stop saying that.
There. Oopsie. I destroyed it. Next, so I'm going to make a triangle. A big triangle. See, look how big that is. Okay, then what you want to do is, so let's see. You want to do like like a little U. Martin just said ooh. Okay, so do this. Make U's separate. Okay. Ew. Ew, do you know what that kind of looks like? It kind of looks like, ew. It looks like, where the babies drink out of. It kind of looks like that. Ew, that's so gross. Let me make the lines quick. Gotta make them quick. Okay. Okay, that would have been disgusting.
I'm done.
Okay, now you gotta make like 2 big circles, like that. Or make lines on each. Touching its thing right here. Then, what you want to do, messed up a little. Okay, so you want to, you want to make it another eye. Then you got to do finish this part right here. So, like that, I'm guessing. Don't make it touch each other, or else it'll look, not good. Okay. Now, after you've done the eyebrows, we're gonna do its hair. But first, let me finish. Let me finish. Okay, after you do the eyebrows and you color it in, you've got to do the hair. So the hair is going to be kind of tricky, but not that hard. So you want to start from here. And what you want to do is make like something like that. Go down. make something going like that. And then you go like that.
Hey guys, I'm here. I'm here. Guys.
Hey, he's here.
No, guys, look. I'm here, but first, don't look at me because first you have to put on this.
Okay, let's get. Okay, ooh, look at my hair. That looks so cool. I think yellow bird is bigger than red bird. I'm trying to make them big so you guys can see. I don't want to make them tiny. Okay, or you guys can't
Wait,
see.
zoom it.
No.
Don't make it bigger.
Okay, then you gotta color its hair in. Gonna do that fast.
Hey, Sophia. Where's the yellow? Sophia! Why did you return the other yellow?
Oh, sorry. Get back. Okay, I'm doing it slow motion. No, I'm doing it fast. Slow again. Like, it's kind of tricky over here on the spiky.
Yep, you're right, Sophia. That's
Okay, we're
too
almost
big,
done.
so
We're almost
gonna do it
done.
like this.
So after you color in the hair, like
Hey
that.
guys, wanna watch this? Gonna put this all in the popcorn.
Okay, see. Then what you want to do? Oh, wait! I can't see. Do this one.
That one?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause.
Oh, you asked me?
Yeah.
Sophia, do you have to color this one?
Yes. Color all of it. Okay.
Color even this part yellow?
Uh-huh.
But this one you have to color.
No, yeah, I'm not finished. Okay, so then, don't disturb me. You want to make like a little triangle, but without the line. You want to make something like that then, like a little U again, or like a little smiley face after you do the triangle, but with no line. Then what you want to do
This is kind of hard, Sophia, right?
is like, you
Sophia,
want to
can you
make like you want
can
to
you
make
make
something
it-
like that.
a little bit part of his eyebrows yellow?
So you want to make like a triangle, you see this? Upside triangle and then a triangle again. So 3 triangles. And then see? Don't disturb me. I said don't disturb. Okay, then...
Sophia,
What's,
after this, don't end the video yet, because we're going to have something
okay,
else
wait.
also.
Stop talking.
Since today's career day.
Oh yeah, today my guys at our high school people went to my school and Martin's school. So yeah, after you do that, gotta make like half a circle. Okay, fractions. 1/2 of a circle. Yeah, I think so. And then, so once you do all of this.
Yeah, I'm going to do this one actually.
Okay, once you do all of this, let's get to the coloring part. Hey, give me it back. You get the other one. You get the other one. No.
Fine.
Get
Fine.
the other one.
Fine. But we're going to have this one until we unlock another level.
Wait. Okay, so after that, you want to
Fine.
color
Fine.
him.
Fine,
Oh,
Sophia. Fine, Sophia, whatever you say.
Oopsies.
This yellow color is very good.
Yeah, if you have an eraser, you might want to erase this part right here. Because I messed up. Yeah. That is just, a disasteries.
No, Sophia, look! It's still black also. See?
Wait. No. See, look.
Oh,
That's the
right.
real one. Oh,
I thought
it's
it was-
gray. It's gray. I gotta erase it to white. Gotta erase it to white. Gotta erase it to... I made a horrible mistake. You guys do it light. Don't... People make mistakes. I am so sorry. I promise I won't do it again. Okay. Then
guys.
Hey, wait. I want to make like a little headband. You could add some details like Chuck, he exercises a lot. So you might want to do a headband and color it in red. Cause I think he has a red headband, right?
Yeah. He doesn't exercise. He does karate.
He does karate.
He does like this. What's up? He's actually one of the fastest birds.
Okay, so then you want to color his whole.
You know who's faster than Chuck? The gray bird.
So then you gotta color his entire self yellow. Right here.
Yeah.
You know, Chuck isn't that hard, but his hair isn't really that hard if you really know how to draw it.
So does this look much better now?
No.
No, but doesn't it look cool?
Okay, fine.
Yeah, it does.
We are in a scary mansion. Just kidding, guys. We're in our house. Okay, we gotta hurry up. The time's running out. Okay. I'm gonna fast forward. I'm gonna fast forward this, so don't say nothing.
Sophia, today we have to scribble scrabble because Chuck goes really fast.
But if you want to make it neat, don't scribble scrabble. Turn on the lights, cause they can't see it. They can, but not that much. Turn the lights on.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
So then what you want to do, here, pass me the red.
Where's the red? The red?
Yeah, pass me the red. Pass me the red and the orange. So after that, you want to get a red and an orange.
Yeah.
Oh, why'd you give me this red? No, this red is,
Terrible?
yeah. Let's use another red.
Red, you
So
said.
after that, you want to
said
get a
red.
red.
So
Wait,
here
let me
you
get a
said
red.
red.
Okay, is this red? No. I want a real red.
You said red.
Okay, go.
Mati,
Súbame.
добре, тренуйся.
Okay,
Повен студент.
after that, what you want to do
Hot.
is color his eyebrows red.
Поведе.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is paint.
Now be quiet because we're making a video.
Ти ли ще слагаш кетчуп или горчица или аз?
Okay. Now, yeah, you gotta color it red. See? Wait, is that red? Yes, I found a red. So it's tricky. You wanna label. You wanna see the labels on the side to see if it's really red. Color his eyebrows. Well, you don't have to put a headband. You don't have to put a headband in if you want. So then color his headband red. If you want, you can color whatever color you want. It can be white, it can be blue, it can be green. Just my grandma's and my grandpa's. You know why I'm so excited? Because school's almost over. Only 8 more days of school. Yeah, well, let's just say 7 because my school today finished right now. It just finished. Okay. Then you want to get an orange. No, that's scarlet. Okay, I'm going to get this orange. Why is my finger blue? You see, my nail is blue. Come on. Okay. Then you want to color the beak orange. Whoa. Okay, don't listen to that. Cover your ears. Okay, after you... yeah, I'm gonna close the door. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you put a like, subscribe. If you like this video, subscribe. And also, if you like this video, also share with your friends at school, anybody. Yeah, sure, whatever. If you don't like this video, just skip on to another video. Don't put on like. Please, like I'm telling you. Super please. Okay. Bye. The dog just farted. Ew. What's that smell? Oh, I can smell it. I think I'm gonna die. Just kidding, guys. Bye.